Welcome back to Overheat. Although Ferrari prefers to refer to it as a four-seater, the four-seater Ferrari Purosangue is frequently regarded as a super SUV. Exterior: the Ferrari Purosangue was created to combine the performance and style of a Ferrari supercar with the practicality of an SUV. It looks more like an elevated, high-performance crossover than a standard boxy SUV thanks to its athletic and muscular proportions and lower and broader seating position than most SUVs on the market. Aerodynamic lines are forcefully carved in the bodywork. To optimize efficiency and cooling, air is channeled through the bodywork via hidden vents. Inspired by contemporary Ferrari supercars, it has a sleek split headlamp design that blends in well with the air intakes. With quad exhausts, sharply curved LED taillights, and an integrated carbon diffuser that highlights performance, it exhibits a distinct Ferrari personality. Made of high-strength aluminum, the chassis is a new Ferrari design. The body is made of a composite material that includes high-strength steel, carbon fiber, and aluminum in key places. The car's rear-hinged suicide doors add to its opulent and distinctive appearance by opening wide for simple access to the rear cabin. Interior: with separate seats in the front and rear, divided by a center console, this car is the only one that can fit for people. Instead of using the standard SUV bench seat, this prioritizes each passenger's comfort and support. The dashboard is focused on the driver and is symmetrical. Like a supercar, but with greater room, the driving position feels dynamic and low. In front of the driver is a 10.2-inch digital instrument panel. Passengers can have a comparable driving experience with a passenger side display. Soft leather, carbon fiber inlays, and metal features adorn the cabin, giving it a high-end feel. With a large cargo compartment about 473 liters and rear seats that fold down for more space, the Purosangue nonetheless delivers practicality even though it is not the main focus. Similar to other Ferraris, there are many possibilities for personalization, including a selection of interior materials and traditional exterior colors like Rosso Colson. Ferrari's Pure Blood, which rejects the hybrid or turbocharged trend in favor of pure performance, is embodied in the Purosangue's heart. 6.5-liter V12 naturally aspirated engine. 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. All-wheel drive AWD is a year-round drivetrain option. Ferrari's cutting-edge active suspension technology gives the vehicle excellent handling, coupe-like cornering, and comfort in cruise mode. Additionally, ground clearance can be changed. The unique and orchestral sound produced by its V12 engine is what makes driving a Ferrari so memorable.